This question belongs to data structure subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2020. So the question states, consider a double hashing scheme in which the primary hash function is, so we have a primary hash function h1k equals to k mod 23 and a secondary hash function is h2k equals to 1 plus k mod 19. So the question states, assume that the table size is 23. So we have a hash table of size 23, which is from slot 0 to 22, which means our m value is 23. Then the address returned by probe 1 in the probe sequence. Assume that probe sequence begins at probe 0 for the key value k equals to 90. So what is this question stating? See, we have a hash table, we have a key 90, we need to find the slot in which 90 should come. Okay, but it might be possible that we are using a single hash function and we come to a position and that slot is full. Then in that case, we use the probe sequence to find the next available slot. Okay, so for double hashing, probe sequence goes like h1k plus I of h2k, where I will begin from, here it is given I begins from 0, 1, 2 up till the any number of sequence it can go. Okay, so suppose we come here and it is full, then we check at the next slot with I equals to 1. So it is asking for our second probe sequence. So for probe 1, it is asking the address return, which means the hash table index. So we have h1k. For probe second probe sequence, we have I equals to 1 for probe 1. For probe 0, we have I equals to 0, and for probe 1, we have I equals to 1. So we have h1k plus h2k. So what is our h1k? It is k mod 23, k is 90. So we have 90 mod 23 plus h2k is our 1 plus 90 mod 90. So what is 90 mod 23? So 23 into 1 is 23, 23 into 2 is 46, 23 into 3 is 69, 23 into 4 is 91, sorry, 92. So we need to find 69 minus 90. So it is 21 plus 1 plus what is 19 mod 90, 90 mod 19. So 19 into 1 is 19, 19 into 2 is 38, 19 into 3 is 57, 19 into 4 is 76, 19 into 5 is 95. So we need to find 90 minus 76. So it is 14. So its value comes out to be, so here we also have mod m, which is our mod of size of the hash table. So hash table size is mod 23. Here we have entire thing mod 23. So we have 21 plus 14 plus 1 mod 23, which is 36 mod 23. So it comes out to be 36 minus 23, which is 13. So correct answer to this question is 13, which means key 19 will go to the slot 13. We have slot 13, here key 90 will come. So correct answer is 13.